BEEVERYCREATIVE works best in cool environments that have some ventilation, just like any other type of electrical equipment. Drafts and significant changes in temperature should be avoided during the printing process. Check to make sure if the blue tape is in an acceptable state. If it's damaged, it should be replaced as described previously. Check to see if no kind of object is on the printer table. Placing the filament. Use the Unload Filaments function on BSoft and follow the instructions on the wizard to remove the loaded filament. Place the new filament coil on its mounting and follow BSoft's load instructions. This is the procedure to follow when the coil has to be replaced. Whenever the filament is handled, great care should be taken to ensure that it's well wound and without any sort of looseness, so as to avoid the appearance of kinks or knots in the filament. Any knots or kinks will make it impossible to print. Import the 3D model you wish to print. Use the software. The model loads automatically. Check to make sure all the steps to calibrate the printer shown in the BSoft wizard have been properly followed. The printer has been factory calibrated. This step is just to make sure the printer has been properly configured. Run the wizard and observe the clearance between the extruder nozzle and the sheet of paper. Click on the Open button in BSoft and select the imported file. Click on the Print button and select the desired print options. BSoft will prepare the selected file for printing, a process called slicing, which may take a few minutes. Once it's ready, the printing process will begin. Once the printing process is over, the printed object should be removed from the printing table. This should be done by hand, very gently and carefully so as not to cause any damage. If this isn't possible, the spatula should be used,